In this video, you'll learn how to remove Google Authenticator from your Bitget account. By following these steps, you will successfully unbind Google Authenticator and manage your account security settings effectively. Begin by navigating to the Bitget website. You can do this by entering the URL in your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Bitget homepage, which features various options related to cryptocurrency trading. Next, locate and click on the Home button, usually found at the top of the page. This action will refresh your view, ensuring you are on the main dashboard of your account. After that, look for the profile icon, typically represented by a silhouette or your account picture. Clicking on this will bring you to your account settings, where you can manage personal information and security settings. Once you are in your profile, navigate to the settings option, which is generally listed in the sidebar or within a drop-down menu. Selecting this will take you to the settings page where different account management options are available. Now, find the security tab within the settings menu and click on it. This section contains all security related settings, including two-factor authentication options. You will notice another security option listed under the security settings. Click on it to access the specific security features related to your account, including Google Authenticator settings. Next, locate and click on the Google Authenticator option. This will direct you to a page that provides details about your current two-factor authentication setup. A warning message may appear informing you that Google Authenticator codes are essential for securing your account. It will also state that changing your linked Google Authenticator will disable payment and withdrawal functionalities for 24 hours. Make sure you read this to understand the implications of your actions. Proceed by clicking on the Unbind button. This action will initiate the process of removing Google Authenticator from your account. You may need to wait a moment for the system to process your request. After that, a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to proceed. Click OK to confirm this action. This step is crucial as it ensures that you are intentionally removing the security feature. Finally, click on Confirm Unbind Google Authenticator to finalize the process. Once this is done, you will receive a notification has been successfully removed from your account. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.